Happy Hatch Day to you. Happy Hatch Day to you. Happy Hatch Day to our little psychopath bipolar little bird. Happy Perp Hatch Day to you. 17 years old today, people. Zip 17 today. We loves you. What you think? What you saying? He loves everybody. Thank you for all the subscribers. Right? We loves you, Zips. Happy Hatch Day to you. Happy Hatch Day to you. Happy Hatch Day, dear little psychopath, bipolar little parrot. Happy 17th Hatch Day to you. 17 years. Zip is 17 years old today. Happy birthday, Zipper. We loves you. Thank you for making us laugh and pissed off and happy. We loves you, Zips. Bye-bye. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Enjoy your furs. Zipper is tired of me singing. All right, we're done. Bye.